Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK49s Lunchtime and Teatime Prediction Friday, 12 September 2025. Today UK49s Lunchtime Prediction number, Lunchtime Prediction first number 7, number 44, number 26, number 11, number 31, booster number 15. UK49 tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership, 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 5 UK49's lunchtime 3 hot number, 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 5 UK49's lunchtime 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK49's tea time prediction number. First number 10, number 20, number 39, number 5, number 24, booster number 42. UK49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now.